He went to all this length to torture me. For Seraphina?
Consider this a lesson on her behalf. Why does it hurt to watch Alara like that? No. She hurt Seraphina first. I cannot show mercy. Not enough. Keep going. Sorry I let my guard down and let those Abysnic rats manage to snatch you. But consider it karma for what you did to Seraphina. Lesson learned?
Loud and clear. Your Highness, your belongings, and the gift you requested.
What the hell are you doing?
He can't see this. It's for the Siren King.
A wedding gift for me? Let me guess. No peeking until the big day?
Sure. I've prepared a gift. One you will never forget.
Good. I'll be waiting. It better be as unforgettable as you promise.
Haven't seen you smile like that in a long time, Your Highness. You must be truly looking forward to marrying Princess Alara.
Nonsense. Marrying Alana is purely political. It's the only way to appease the gods and their obsession with purebloods.
Giving her the crown is just a means to an end. It's the only way I can legitimately protect Seraphina, my true love.
Your eyes can lie, Your Highness. But here, the heart never lies.
Stop it! Seraphina is the only one I love!
Alara, this is the bridal gown from the Sirens. Put it on, now. Prince Arthur's royal carriage will be at the gates any minute. Don't you dare get cold feet on me.
Taking your sister's place in the abyss. You should consider it an honor.
I gave you my word. I'm not backing out. So, sis, how does it feel knowing you're about to marry a literal monster? I hear he's hideously deformed. He's had over 800 brides and every single one of them was torn to shreds.
Say one more word, and I'm not putting this dress on.
Your Highness, the ambush along the abyssal trench is set. The second Lady Seraphina's bone ship hits the choke point. Our men will extract her.
Even if the Siren King comes here himself, he's not taking my woman.
Glad you finally know your place. Once Arthur realizes it's me under the veil, he's going to be thrilled.
Oh, I'm sure he'll be ecstatic.
The Siren King is occupied. We are here to claim his bride.
Suddenly so tight. Like I'm about to lose the only thing that actually matters.
Halt!
Bear with this a little longer, Seraphina. When the chaos hits, jump to the extraction clip. I promise you. I will never let that monster have you.
So that's why you were so willing to send Seraphina to the abyss. You had a rescue plan all along.
Thank God Alara agreed to the swap. Seraphina would have been torn to pieces down there.
Alara, as of today, you are my wife. Play your part, be a good, obedient princess, and I might just...
Arthur! It's me! Surprise!
Seraphina, it's you?
Wedding gift. Do you like it?
Alara! Alara!